Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of KrawlZone. We're out here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. We're going to hang out with some really cool friends. We're going to find the Big Sarge, and he's going to take us around, and we're going to interview all kinds of people. Stay tuned. Hold on. This is KrawlZone. KrawlZone! All right, things are pretty crazy down here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. We're going to have the Big Sarge take us around to meet a few people and give us a walk around with the new Expedition trailer. We're going to see the new Venomaire. We're going to talk to Klein of Trail Hero and all the antics here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. So come on, let's go. Alrighty. Hey, how you doing? Good. Hey, you too. Hey, look, it's the Big Sarge. We're going to go have him take us around. Come on. Hey Sarge, what's up?
What's up, brother? We're here in front of the Utah Four-Wheel Drive Association booth. Remember, Utah's trails are America's trails. Let's keep public lands public. If you join at a show like this, it's $10 to join. You can also sign up online at u4wda.org.
Sarge, who are we going to go see next?
Well, next we're going to go see Julene Summit.
Oh, rad. Let's go.
Let's go. We're going to go see Julene Summit.
Head cat wrangler. That's what
cat wrangler.
That's what I call myself. Yes. We are a machine shop by foundation, so we machine just about anything that anybody needs to have made. But over the years, we have developed a product line in the aftermarket off-road industry. So we're very well known for our 7075 American milled links. We have our billet flex joints. We have fairleads. We have spare tire components. We have all of your Heim hardware. Everything made in our facility here in Draper. We sponsor a lot of drivers. We work in all of those races with the bore industry, with the WeRock drivers, the KOH drivers, a lot of your snore racers. We do our part. Yes, not literally snore, but okay. Yep, we do our part to try to make sure that these racers have top quality parts that can get them over the finish line.
Oh, you want my good side?
Oh man, I gotta turn around for this.
So this is the Voyager trailer by Expedition Trailers, and all aluminum construction. It's sleeps two inside. You can do rooftop tent awning like you see it right here configured, and but really what the most impressive thing about this thing is the construction and the kitchen on the back. The first thing you'll notice is how big it is, right? And it's not encumbered by anything else, right? So nothing's in the way of you working at the kitchen, right? I could be cooking right here, grabbing spices, whatever. Somebody else could be, at the sink. Other people could be prepping. You got pull-out butcher block countertop here, 5-inch deep drawer by 25 inches, plenty of storage, right? Pantry area that's accessible both from the back and from the side. So if you're cooking and, oh dang, I forgot the noodles, right? Grab it real quick.
What we got here? More stuff.
Tons more storage.
More storage.
Right, more storage. And then what's super cool and where the magic happens in this kitchen is right here, right? So all you gotta do, move this over, flip up this countertop, and now the fridge freezer can pull in, the slide out can pull in, and you're ready to go. Literally, you could be cooking from completely closed up to cooking in less than a minute. Yep. And while we're up here, I'll just take you through our power system real quick. So one thing you'll notice, Sarge, is how clear and easily readable everything is. You can trace the power, where it's going, and then you can easily check how much power you have, how many days remaining in your battery system, right? All right there, touchscreen.
Access to this area from both sides.
Both sides. So not only does it house all the electrical components, but also anything, like maybe a portable toilet or your chairs or.
Oh, portable toilet's an important thing in my age.
That's right.
Let me tell you,
That's right.
got to have the portable toilet. A real 20 is even better, but I'll take a portable one in a pinch. Okay, what about propane? Yeah,
11-pound tanks on either side.
just a little 11s.
There's also an option to do 220 pounds in the front. So like your standard barbecue, propane tank. There you go. So yeah, like I said before, all aluminum construction, and this is fully riveted. Every one of the structural rivets on this thing is rated to 5,000 pound capacity, and we use over 300 rivets in this thing. So it's meant for off-road. I mean, that's what we're doing.
Jim Markham, JM Rigging. Anything that you need for recovery, JM Rigging's got it. 100% quality, American-made products. Don't got to worry about coronavirus. Anyway, hope everybody's good out there. We're at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo 2020. The place is packed. There's a gazillion people in this place. If you're not here, you are in the wrong place. Hope everybody has a great day. JM Rigging, jmrigging.com. All your recovery needs in one spot.
All right, so I think we're like in the 5th year of the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. They've expanded a little bit this year to be the Off-Road and Outdoor Expo. We're seeing a lot more side-by-sides showing up here and a lot more adventure stuff. Going to see a lot of adventure trailers and a lot of fun stuff like that. But the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo is a celebration of off-road and outdoors here in the Salt Lake area. Now, we know that Utah is the mecca for off-roading. It's got some of the best trails in the country because we got some of the best landscape in the country. And right here, this is where we're celebrating. This is where all the vendors from all kinds of off-road, from dirt bikes, side-by-sides, Jeeps, everybody in between, are getting together. People can come check out their wares so they can upgrade their rigs to have a good time out on the trail.
We're down here at the Salt Lake Road Off-Road Expo. I'm Dan Whittington. We're down here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. We're showing off our new product called the Venomaire turbine air intake.
What is the Venomaire? What does it do?
Well, it's a forced air intake. So it increases your volumetric efficiency, helps your car breathe a lot easier, and it gives you better gas mileage and performance. It makes your car just run really, really good.
Okay, good. Hey, we're here to pump you up.
Yeah.
And we're going to pump you up with some Venomaire today. The awesome pumping air intake system that creates velocity in the air intake and increases your horsepower and fuel economy.
Absolutely.
That's what it does.
Hi, Scott.
It just pumps you right up. Well, I'm Scott Huntsman with Tunex, and what we did is we just barely installed one of his products onto this 2018 JL Wrangler, and I got to say I was really surprised with the results. I didn't know what was going to happen with it. It was totally a blind product to me at the time. I knew of it, but I didn't know what kind of result we were going to get. And once we put it on, I was really impressed by the seat of your pants performance that this thing created. I installed it, my shops, and I own two Tunex automotive centers here in West Valley and South Jordan, and we install them, and so we're going to start moving some product for you.
Absolutely, yeah. So Scott's one of our retailers. Come down and pick him up at Tunex. You want to tell them your locations?
Yeah, South Jordan. We're on South Jordan Parkway and 1247 West. I'm also in West Valley City at 3549 South and 5600 West. And we love KrawlZone TV. I mean, I absolutely dig you guys.
Yeah.
And so it's really an honor for me to be able to hold this microphone and be able to speak for you guys.
Can I hold it for a minute?
Yeah, do it.
Wow. But yeah, check out KrawlZone, man. Appreciate you.
here from the Red Rock Crawlers YouTube channel, and I'm actually here at the Trail Hero booth hanging out with Rich Klein. So what's going on, Rich?
Nothing, we're just here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. It's really to explain what our narrative is with Trail Hero, and that is creating motorized access for people with special needs and veterans outdoors at all times. And so the only way we can actually achieve that is by having those conversations, showing them great clips and videos of stuff that we've already done in the past, kind of a proven product, and how our system works for the community as a whole.
Right on. You know, the whole Sand Hollow area, it's a ton of fun.
We offer special runs for people with special needs and for veterans, and it's part of our community outreach program where we ensure that they understand that it's important to support certain people and certain things. So if you don't, you lose your motorized access, you lose your ability to go experience the outdoors. A lot of these people don't have a way to walk or hike or even ride a bike or ride a horse. So this riding in a Jeep or a side-by-side is their way to go experience the outdoors. We just want to have those conversations and have that experience with them.
Sure. Yeah, that's such an important thing. We're seeing trail closures over the country, you know, overall, and so we would hate to lose that here in Utah.
And what we really want to show them is that this is the only way you can really enjoy the outdoors without putting too much strain on your body, and especially, you know, people, the elderly, a lot of the kids with special needs who need, you know, wheelchair access and whatnot, they don't have that to the outdoors, and so we provide that for them. And it's very important. It's a topic that people on both sides of the aisle can get behind. It's no longer, you know, it's all about generations and generations to come to be off-road. It's these guys need the vehicle to be able to go experience the outdoors, and so that's something that people on both sides of the aisle can get behind.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us for this episode of KrawlZone, and until next time, remember, don't just live life, live epic. Have a good one.